Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to share with you 3 things that you didn't know about the Elon Musk effect. What you will learn today? You will learn that by creating time blocks of 5 minutes every hour and knowing every hour what to do, you will increase your productivities by 100%. And also, by creating ambitious target and completing the job in half the time, you also increase your productivities by 100%. And you can choose to be extraordinary by identifying habits of successful people that you admire. Now, most people hate the idea of planning their days ahead. Now, I get you and I understand. I'm one of them as well. I don't like to plan ahead. Like for example, tomorrow, what are things that I need to do? However, after I cultivate a habit of spending the last 10 or 15 minutes before I sleep, plan for the next day, I find that my productivity is actually increased by at least 50 to 100%. Now, it is actually a time saver and compounding effect. If you think about it, let's say across a period of 1 month, if you plan ahead of the time, you know what to do tomorrow, and you just put it down into a calendar to remind yourself. This is a very good way whereby you will not forget the task, and you spend less energy required to remember something. Now, your goals are time-tested failures. Always remember that. It's not worth it to just settle for being ordinary. So why not you challenge yourself to be extraordinary and do things faster in terms of productivities? In a way, you have more time for yourself. Now, self-time is something that I would like to talk about in my next videos. However, in this video, do challenge yourself daily and make it a habit to stay productive by writing it down. A list of things that you need to complete the next day. Now, you never know how much you can do unless you put yourself under test. Now, Elon Musk actually challenged himself by putting 5-minute blocks, so we do not need to be like him. He challenged himself to be productive for every 5 minutes of his time, but we do not need to do so. Just make sure that every hour you know what to do and you are ahead of 90% of the people. Now, success leaves clues. Putting your ego down is step number 1, and step 2 is to model the habit of successful people. If you model them closely, you'll find that actually you're slowly becoming them, and you are thinking wise in terms you start to model. Your thinking is towards what they think. So this is the fastest way that allows you to accelerate without a mentor. Of course, there are people who can afford a mentor, they could do so, which the mentor will push them, but by doing it yourself, you can choose to have more than one mentor. So in summary, schedule your time is an important aspect of staying productive. And by putting yourself under constant test or constant stress, getting things done, but half the time you're actually testing yourself in terms of how fast you can do certain things. And when you be able to do it in half the time, you can challenge yourself further. So by doing so, you will also increase your productivities and your creativity at the same time. So remember, you always have a choice to be extraordinary. Just follow the footsteps of successful people that you want to model. So I hope that this video is useful to you. Do like, subscribe and comment. I have some video at the end if you would like to watch some more of my videos, and I'll see you in the next video.